Okay. Um, Hello, everybody. I bought well, my name is Jeremy, first of all. I bought a 2002 Chevy Express 3500 um, with, you can see there, 120,000 miles, some dinks and stuff like that. Sorry, it's sunny right now. And It only has 120,000 miles. And well, it has the noise, the lifter noise. So what I did is start doing a little research online and stuff, and I found that it could be a camshaft broken lifter, uh, whatever. So I started doing more research, and I finally decided to tackle this project. Just keep in mind that I paid $450 for this truck. Um, it was running fine, but it was making that noise. But it was really loud in the morning, and I had the PO 306 misfire code, and also I pulled the intake, and it has the all style spider injector. A friend of mine told me that those have been recalled, and it's a 2002 Chevy Express, 1 ton. Um, and again, it's for $450. Well, I couldn't uh, pass it on. And like I said, the truck was running fine, and I said to myself, I can do many of these mechanics stuff myself. I have all of the tools, torque wrenches, and so here we are in the middle of the process. So when I pull the intake and the gaskets and the upper intake, so I wanted to do a little more research on the lifters, and I went ahead and pulled the number 6 lifters. I don't know, lifter one. I don't know if you can see. So you can see from here is 2, 4, 6, 8. This one will be cylinder number 1. So you'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's how can you tell. I got the book and I just double check anyway. This is the front of the engine, so that will be um, uh, cylinder number 1. So here we are with all the third down. I had to use my pool table to put all of the components, and so basically this is where I'm working on. So anyway, so I managed to get the rockers out and the push rods, and I was looking inside to see if you have any, I don't know if you can see pretty well here in the camera. Yeah, you can see some light right there. So these were not clogged. Before I start taking this engine apart, I flushed the engine. I run the transmission fluid for 120 miles, and the noise went away. But still, I could see that PO 306 code when I put the scanner on the car. So I decided to go ahead and start taking the engine apart. I love it. I know some may think I'm crazy, but this is what I do for hobby. I love to take things apart and fix them, and one example is my 1995 Honda Accord that I removed the heads and the head gaskets and everything, and now it has 275,000 miles. Anyway, that's another story. So I took the lifters out. I'm going to show you here what I found. And this is the lifter on the let me see if I can get more light. This is